25 says the polynomial 2x squared plus x minus 15 can be written as 2x minus 5 times x plus 3. At which values of x does the graph of the polynomial cross the x-axis? So crossing the x-axis means that's a 0. And if we have the polynomial in factored form, then what we can do is just set each factor equal to 0 and solve for it. And that will give us the zeros, which are also the x-intercepts of the graph. So I'm going to set 2x minus 5 equal to 0 and solve. So I want to add 5 to both sides. That gives me 2x equals 5. And then I'm going to divide by 2. So that gives me x equals 5 halves. Or if I write that in decimal form, that'd be 2.5. So that is one of my answers. So I want to make sure I bubble that in on my answer sheet. And then the other solution comes from the other factors. So I have x plus 3, set that equal to 0, and subtract 3 in order to solve for x. So we get x equals negative 3, and I'm going to bubble that on my answer sheet.